Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the Autocad 12th lecture. In this lecture, we will discuss the layers commands in use in Autocad in a very detail. So let's we start our topic. First, I want to announce that in next 2 lectures, we will just complete our basic part of the Autocad course. Then we will move to 2D and 3D drawing. So let's we start our today topic, layers. Here I want to show you how you can this is the toolbar of the layers. You can switch on this toolbar of the layers and off. How you can go to tool, here go to toolbar, in the AutoCAD. Here you will see different tools which I switch on for my working, so you can also switch on and off them. Here I have the option of layers. I will click here. Now it will switch off. Again I will click here in the same manner to switch on the layers. You will see here, if you will double click it here you can see this. You can shift the window of the toolbar of the layers also. I will shift it here. Now you can see this is how you can play with the toolbar in the AutoCAD window. Here now we start our main topic, which is creation of layers in the AutoCAD. How we can do it? Here you will see this option, this icon. Click on this icon to go for layer properties manager. Here layer properties manager window is open. You can close it by just clicking here. So we add the new layers. These are 2 layers which are by default, which cannot be deleted. So if you want to work as a professional on the drawing, you must need to add your own layers and work on these layers. Do not work on these by default layers. Just in case of you are doing practice, then you can work in this layer. But if you want to work on the plan drawing of the house, of the any building, then you must need to add new layers. What is the advantages of layers? The main advantage is that you can add different layers for your different works in the drawing. Like I am going to draw a house plan, I will make different layers like doors layer, walls layer, windows layer, interior designing layer, and like that. So when I will work on different layers and I can switch on and off the layers. I draw the drawing of the house plan. Now I want to switch off the layer, that this layer, door layer, will not show in my drawing. Then so I can work properly on other layer. So I just will freeze the layer. That layer will freeze. So I can log the layer also on which I working. Then I will share the drawing with anyone. No one will be able to edit my drawing. Just he will able to see the drawing. So this is another option, an advantage of working in the layers. So we start here. Just this is the option for creating new layers. This is the option for deleting layers. Select layer and delete it. These layers cannot be deleted. These are by default. And this is option for set current layer, means on which currently are you working. Just select the layer and click on it. Now you will see this layer will be set current. Okay, this is how you can switch off set current layers. We add new layers. First layer will be wall layer. Next click again here to add another doors layer. Again click windows. Again click interior designing, interior design. Okay, interior design. Okay, so these are the options how you can set the layers. We created some layers here just to show you, because we are not actually working on drawing. We will after 2 lectures on 2D and 3D drawing, but here purpose is just to show you how you can create the layers and edit them. Here, if you want to work on the wall layer, you have two options. First, select it here, click here, set ground. Set ground. This layer will be set. Now, if you will work this layer, it means you will work on this layer, wall layer. Now, if you want to move to interior designing layer, then here one option is click here, other option in this on this icon. Double click to switch to this layer, and again I will switch to wall layer. Double click here. Okay, these are the one option to set ground the layers. Here this is the option to switch off the layer. Switch on and switch off the layer. You can see this bulb icon. You can see this is for switch on and switch off the layer. This is for freezing and unfreezing the layer. After freezing the layer, this layer will not show you and you will not be able to edit it. Freezing layer and unfreezing layer. And this is same option for you. If you lock this, no one will able to edit your drawing when you will share this drawing to someone. Okay, we now close the window of this. There, unlock this. Close the window of layer properties. If you want to again go there, just click this icon. Now I will close it. Let's first we work on the wall here. Here I want to show you that in the properties we can edit its color. Let's interior designing color, we will do this. Okay, for wall let's we take red color. For windows let's we take cyan color. So this is how you can edit the layers, change their color, how you can set ground them. For doors let's we take the color, okay, this one. You can now change the line type also, line weight also. Line type mean go to load. Here you will see multiple line types as per your requirement. Zigzag, text, phantom. You can see very much option dotted. Okay, you can load them and then click them to select them. Okay, you can select the load line type. Here you can set for your layers. You can change the layers color, you can change their line type, line weight also. Okay, you can change the transparency also. What is the meaning of transparency? We discussed in our last lecture very much that transparency is that how much the object or line is dense. This is called transparency. We discussed it in a very detail. So these were the basic important options in the layers. Let's we close this layer properties. Now let's we draw the plot. Here I draw the plot in rectangle. Let's we take it that this, let me delete it. Again we draw it. This is the plot. Okay, let's we take it that these are the walls of the plot, because we are working the wall layer. We draw the walls boundary of the plot. Let's we check that the thickness of the wall is 9 inch. So I will use offset command here. I will show you offset. O is the short key. Offset. then click again. Here you need to just type the distance for your offset. I already type here 9 inch, so I will press enter. You can type as per your desire. If your wall is 4.5 inch thickness, it's 9 inch thickness, as per your drawing requirements. Press enter. We are actually not drawing a house plan. Here I am just showing you how you will work in the on the layers. So we draw the line thickness here 9 inch by using offset command. We just draw it because this is very, you can see that plot was very big, so and the line thickness here is brick thickness is 9 inch, so that's why it's not showing you clear, but when you will zoom it you will see it. I give it the, so this is how you can work in the layers. Let me work on the layer of the windows. We take the window, we here, let me draw the window. This is just, I am not drawing the window actual, I am just showing you here. Next, when we will start the actual plan drawing, then we will do it by dimensions and properly we will draw the window. Here I am just showing you that how you can work in different layers. Now our set current layer is window, we can select it here. Yes, I worked on the window. Now you can see these are the advantages to work on the different layers. Just click here, color will automatically, and by which you select for your layer will automatically selected here, and these are the advantages. Let me now show you the option. If you want to freeze the layer, here I will show you wall layer. I switch on the wall layer, so wall layer is switch on, but window you can see it's very small though, so that's why it's not showing you. I will use the command zoom all. First press type Z, then press enter, then press A, press enter. Now you will see actually window command. Let's we switch on it again, the wall. Now let me zoom, Z enter, A enter. Now you will see this is how you can switch on and off your layer. This layer will not more visible when you will switch off it here from this option. You will select it. Here you can freeze your layer. This layer will not more visible and you will not be able to edit the layer. This is the option for freeze. This is for lock or unlock the layer. So this is how you can create the layers and work in them. It's very important for us to learn the work on the layers before switch to our second part of the course, which is 2D and 3D drawing of the plan. Thanks for watching this lecture, but here I want to discuss one more thing. Someone asked me if that when you go to the bottom window in the workspace switching, you have more options than us. Someone asked me. So because I set these layouts by myself, so you cannot see these options because you did not set these options. These options you can see, these are by default. 3D modeling migrated from AutoCAD 2007, AutoCAD Classic, 3D Basics, 3D modeling, drafting and annotation. You can switch them. because these are by default. Here this option I selected it by myself, AutoCAD Classic. Let me show you how did I just did it. Go to toolbar and go to AutoCAD. Here switch on the tools which you want to see. I switch on the draw, layers, modify, properties. If you want to make your AutoCAD look like me, then just switch on these options which I did, and standards. Here you can see. So I switch on them, then again I go to toolbar and set these by dragging your mouse. Set these tools on your screen of the AutoCAD, then go to tool, again go to workspace. Here select save current as, go to save current as, and here just name it. It's AutoCAD Classic, it AutoCAD drafting and annotation, which you want to name it. Just name it, save. Then you will see here the option which you saved. Then you can switch to that layout which you set. So thanks for watching this lecture. Please stay tuned for next.